Welcome to IACE. Today we have to discuss SSC CHSL previous exam questions regarding pure maths, right? So today we have to discuss 19th March 2020 shift 1 paper. So what are the questions we are getting from pure maths and the solutions today we will see, right? So question number 1. See, question number 1. In triangle ABC, if triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, it is which triangle? Right angled triangle. So right angled triangle means first what you have to remember? Pythagoras theorem we have to remember, right? And given angle B equal to 90 degrees. So in a right angle triangle, angle B is how much? 90 degrees, right? AC is 10, BC is 8. Then what is the value of AB? Here it is forming a which triangle? Right angle triangle. We know triplet code. What is the triplet code? 6, 8, 10. So 8, 10 is there means what is the value of AB? 6. So AB equal to how much? 6. So answer is how much? 6. Simply it's a triplet. Triplet code is given. A simple right angle triangle is given. In that a triplet code already two values are given, 8 and 10. So third value we have to find. That's it. Okay, right. Then next one, question number 2. X by y is 3 by 2 and x plus y is how much? 90. X plus y is 90. Then find the value of x minus y. Okay, so simplification simple. Just you see cross multiply, what will get? 2x equal to 3y. 2x equal to 3y. So from here we have to find x and y values. That's it, right? So simply I am multiplying with 2 here. So if you multiply with 2, what will get? 2x plus 2y equal to how much? 180. Why I am multiplying 2 with means already we know 2x. 2x is how much? 3y. So in place of 2x, what we can write? 3y we can write. In place of 2x, 3y. So 3y plus 2y, that is 5y equal to 180. Means y is how much? 36. So y is how much? 36. Once if you know y means easily you can find x or not. X equal to 3 by 2 of 36, right? 3 by 2 of y. So 2 ones, 2 18s. That is x equal to how much? 54. Okay, so x value we know, y value we know. Simply what we have to find? X minus y. That is 54 minus 36. 54 minus 36 is how much? 18. Right? So answer is how much? 18. Option B is the right answers. Okay, only thing two equations are given. From that equation we have to find xy value. So once if you know two variables, if you know two equations means easily we can find the xy values, right? Then next one, question number 3. So question number 3. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Here that is a clue we have. Ikkade undi. DE is parallel to BC. In a triangle, if a parallel line is drawn, immediately which theorem we have to remember? Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem we have to remember, right? So this is the clue. So whenever you are observing in a question, the clue we have to identify mainly in geometry. So what is the clue you are observing here? DE is parallel to BC means in a triangle. I am drawing. In a triangle ABC, what happens? DE is parallel to BC. So anytime in a triangle parallel means which theorem we have to remember? Basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem we have to remember. Once okkasari manam we'll remember this basic proportionality theorem. What is point number 1 for basic proportionality theorem? Point number 1 is top part by bottom part. That means the parallel line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Actually 3 points will be there, out of which point is useful that we can write. But once I am remembering what is basic proportionality theorem. So basic proportionality theorem ante enti anadi okkasari chuddam, right? Now what is first one? Top by bottom, that is AD by DB equal to this side top by bottom equal to left side this also AE by EC, right? Top length by bottom length equal to this side also top length by bottom length, right? And second point is top length by total length, that is AD by top length by total length is AB equal to that side same AE by top by total length, that is AC equal to parallel lines ratio. What is DE by BC? Additionally, one more ratio will get. So this is the point we will discuss in basic proportionality theorem. Third one, two triangles are there, one smaller triangle and bigger triangle. Both are which triangles? Similar triangles. This we'll discuss in class, right? So ADE is parallel to ABC. Both are which triangles? Similar triangle. So what is given? Just we'll see. AE is how much? 4. AC is how much? 10. AC is 10. 10 means this part is how much? 6. And AD is BD. Find the value of BD. AD is given. AD is how much? 3. Then find the value of BD. Very simple. So which point we have to use? Top by bottom. Top by bottom means point number 1 we have to use. Point number 1. What is AD? AD is 3 by BD equal to that side 4 by AE by EC. EC is 6 means 2's 3's. So BD equal to how much? 9 by 2 means how much? 4.5. The answer is how much? Option A is the right answer. So no need to write all these things. Exam lo manam idantha rayalsina paledu. So only the first condition is enough. But I am remembering the basic proportionality theorem. That's it. So when we have to remember the basic proportionality theorem, the clue is in a triangle parallel line is there. So ippudaina in a triangle parallel line you are observing. So first, the most important theorem, the basic proportionality theorem only you have to remember. Okay, right. Then next one, question number 4. Kx cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4 and x cube minus 4x plus k leaves the same remainder. Now we are going for polynomials. This is the question related to polynomials, right? Same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Then what is the value of k? That first f of x. What is the first polynomial? The first polynomial I am making it as f of x. F of x is how much? Kx cube plus 4x square plus 3x minus 4. And second polynomial g of x. G of x is how much? X cube minus 4x plus k. Both are divided with x minus 3. So both are divided with x minus 3. Then the remainders are same. He is telling the remainder, same remainder is obtaining. Same remainder. So what remainder theorem says? What remainder theorem says? If f of x is divided by x minus a, if f of x is divided with x minus a, then what is the remainder? F of a is the remainder. That we will discuss in a remainder theorem. There we discuss remainder theorem as well as factor theorem, right? So what remainder theorem says? If f of x is divided, if f of x is divided with x minus a, then the remainder is, what is the remainder? F of a. So the remainder we have to tell f of a. So we have to find f of a, right? So I am finding x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to how much? 3. F of a means f of 3. A is how much? 3. So we have to find f of 3. So what is the remainder here? F of 3. Similar. What is the remainder here? G of 3. So f of 3, g of 3 is telling both are same, right? We will substitute x equal to 3. So 27k plus 9 4s 36 plus 9 minus 4. And here 27 minus 12 plus k. Both are same. Both are same. First, that means f of 3 and g of 3 both are same. He is telling. What is the value we are getting here? See, 27k here, 36 plus 9, 45 minus 4, that is 41. So that is 27k plus 41 equal to this side. K plus 27 minus 12. 27 minus 12 is, that is 15, right? 15. Now, so 26k equal to how much? 15 minus 41 minus 26. So k equal to how much? Minus 1. So what is the value of k? The k value is minus 1. So option B is the right answer. Okay. So here you have to know what is the remainder theorem and what is factor theorem. So factor theorem means compulsory the remainder must be equal to 0. If the remainder is equal to 0, that we call it as a factor theorem, right? Only remainder theorem means we have to find the remainder. What is the remainder? F of a is the remainder. Okay. Question number 5. Now we have to see trigonometry question. Actually, small correction is there here. Right. So sin x plus one equation is given. What is the equation given? Sin x plus cos x by sin x minus cos x equal to how much? 6 by 5 is given, right? What we have to find? Tan square x plus 1 by tan square x minus 1 we have to find, right? It's simple. So first this equation will convert into tan. We have to convert it to tan. We have to convert it to tan means what you have to do? We have to divide with cos x. Numerator we denote with cos x, and denominator also you divide with cos x. What will come? Sin x by cos. Sin by cos. Sin by cos will what will come? Tan x plus sin by cos by cos what will come? 1 by tan x minus 1 equal to how much? 6 by 5. So tan x plus 1 by tan x minus 1 is 6 by 9. So total equation is converted into tan x or not? So we have to find tan x only. That's it. Cross multiply. What will come? 5 tan x. 5 tan x plus 5 equal to 6 tan x minus 6. Implies what is tan x value? Tan x value. So tan x equal to how much we are getting? 11. Substitute here. That is 11 square. 11 square is how much? 121. So this is 121. So 121 plus 1, that is 122 by 120 means 2 61s, 2 60s. So it is in the ratio of 61 by 60. So what is the ratio? The ratio is 61 by 60. So 61 by 60 is the right answer. Simple. So one equation is given. So that equation we are converting into tan. Sir, I don't know how to convert into tan. Then also no problem. Simply go for cross multiplication. Then also you will get. Okay. Even you go with cross multiplication also you will get tan. Okay. Ela chesina vastundi. Anyway we will get. Okay. Right. Question number 6. Again it is a question related to trigonometry. Right. What is given? Sin x equal to, see, sin x equal to how much? 3 by 5. And the x always an acute angle. And then find the value of cot x into, find the value of cot x into secant x. First we will simplify this one. What is cot? Cot means cos by sin. So cos x by sin x into what is secant? 1 by cos. So cos cancel. What will get? 1 by sin x. So what is 1 by sin x? Sin x is how much? 3 by 5. So what is 1 by sin x? 5 by 3. So answer is how much? 5 by 3 is the right answer. So option A is the right answer. Simple question is given. Okay. So after final simplification, what we are getting? 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x means cosecant x, reciprocal of sin. So what is the reciprocal of sin? That is 5 by 3 here. Okay. So answer is 5 by 3. Right. Then next one, question number 7. See, question number 7. Now again from algebra. Now we are question getting from algebra. See, is given a equal to 2b. Very simple questions are given. Chala chinna questions unnai. So right now see, what is a by b? A by b is how much? A by b is 2 by 1. A by b is 2 by 1. So what we have to find? A plus b by a minus b. Simply substitute a and b values in this equation. So a is 2, b is 1. That is 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is how much? 3. So what is the ratio of a plus b by a minus b? That is 3. Option A is the right answer. Okay, so here what is the ratio given? A equal to 2b. A equal to 2b, one ratio is given. So from that a by b equal to how much? 2 by 1. 2 is to 1 we are getting. So substitute in that ratio. Same ratio values substitute in that in the given ratio. And what is the result value we are getting? That is the answer. Right. So what is the answer we are getting? 3 is the right answer. Okay. Right. Then question number 8. Now again algebra question. So what is given? A square minus b square whole cube plus b square minus c square whole cube plus c square minus a square whole cube not by divided by a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. So this is the question given. Right. One point you have to know. A cube, B cube, C cube is there. A cube, B cube, C cube. A cube plus B cube plus C cube means immediately first what we have to check. Whenever the question you are observing the form of A cube plus B cube plus C cube, in that form it is there. First thing we have to check whether A plus B plus C is equal to 0 or not. That we have to know. Why? What is the condition if you know? If A plus B plus C equal to 0, if A plus B plus C equal to 0, what is the condition we know? Then immediately A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to how much? 3ABC, that we know. So if A plus B plus C equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. Just see here, this is A. That means here, so these A square minus B square plus B square minus C square plus C square minus A square, whether it is 0 or not, exactly 0, right? A square cancel, C square, B square cancel, right? Similarly, this also you observe, if you add these three, what will come? A minus B, B minus C minus A, we are getting 0 or not? So top value A plus B plus C equal to 0. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube compulsory equal to how much? 3ABC, that is 3. What is A? A square minus B square. What is B? B square minus C square. And what is C? C square minus C square. Similarly, bottom also. So bottom also, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC, that is 3 of A minus B into B minus C into C minus C, right? Cancel. So A square minus B square means that we can write A plus B into A minus B. So A minus B cancel, what will get? A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. So what is the answer? A plus B into B plus C into C plus A. Option A is the right answer. Okay, so no need to do. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కోసం నోట్ చేస్తున్నాం, బట్ నథింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్, అరే A plus B plus C equal to 0, so 3ABC, 3ABC. So numerator is in the form of A square minus B square, so cancel. What is the remainder? That is the answer. Okay, simple question, right? Question number 9. The radius of a circular cone. Now the question related to mensuration. Okay, so this is the question related to mensuration. The radius of a circular cone. So in a cone, the radius is given R and capital R, and height is how much? Capital H. Then what is the volume of a cone? Direct formula is given. So no need to do all these things. So direct formula. What is the volume of a cone? Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi R square, big R square and H. So what is the volume of a cone? 1/3 pi R square H. No need to do anything. Direct cone formula is given. Cone formula is 1/3 pi R square H. So what is the answer? 1/3 pi R square H. So option C is the right answer. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాల్సింది కూడా ఏం లేదు. Nothing is there. Direct cone formula is given. Okay, lucky, right? Then question number 10. Again, the question related to geometry. The length of the tangents. So the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are always, so different cases we'll discuss actually here. I'll tell one thing. So what is the first case? If two tangents are drawn from an exterior point, that means if two tangents intersect each other, at external point, then immediately we tell two tangents are always equal. So that is the point here. If the tangents are drawn from an external point, both tangents are always equal. So this is the first point we'll discuss. Similarly, some more points also we discuss. What are the points? If two chords intersect each other, in geometry we'll discuss AB and CD are two chords. This is case 1 and this is case 2. We'll discuss there. If two chords intersect each other at a point P. Here, what is the first case? If two tangents intersect each other. What is the condition? PA equal to PB. That P is very important. So from PA, PB, both sides are equal. Here also two chords intersect each other at a point P. Then what is the condition? P is important. Always with P we have to start. PA into, first line we have to complete. PA into this side, PB equal to this side, PC into P. So this is the second case we'll discuss actually, chords. And third one, two secants intersect each other. P, A, B, C, D. If two secants intersect each other or chords intersect each other externally, this is the third case we'll discuss there, right, in geometry. So what is the point? P is important. First from P, PA PA into this left side we have to complete PA into PB equal to downside PC into PD. So this is the third case we'll discuss, right? And fourth case, what is the fourth case we discuss? So a tangent and a secant intersect each other. If a tangent and a secant intersect each other, then what is the condition? Same, point P is important. From point P we have to write what? Point P, PB into so left from this side PB into PC. Always with P we have to start. PB into PC equal to this side also PA. Two times we have to do PA into PA, that is PS. So these are the four cases we'll discuss at the time of geometry. So what are the four cases? Two tangents intersect each other, two chords intersect each other, two secants intersect each other, a secant and a tangent intersect each other. So these are the conditions we generally will discuss in geometry, right? Out of which one condition is given. One condition is given. What is the condition? Two tangents are drawn from an exterior point, means two tangents intersect each other. If two tangents intersect each other, what is the condition? PA equal to PB, means tangents both are equal. So option C is the right answer. So these are the four cases generally we will discuss. Dantlo oka case ichunnadu. One case is given here, right? No doubt. Direct question. This is also direct question. No need to do. So remaining anta nenu. So already point వచ్చింది కాబట్టి రిమైనింగ్ పాయింట్ ఒకసారి రిమెంబర్ చేస్తున్నాను అంతే, అంతకుమించి ఇంకేం లేదు. సో ద క్వశ్చన్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్, ఆల్వేస్ టాంజెంట్స్ డ్రాన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్టీరియర్ పాయింట్ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ ఈక్వల్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద థియరమ్. సో డైరెక్ట్ థియరమ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్, రైట్? నోట్ చేశారా? దెన్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11. Which of the following numbers is divisible by both 7 and 11? This is not a pure maths question. So it's a number system question actually. So by mistake here it came here. No problem. No problem. Whatever it is, it's a number, simple number system question. So which of the following numbers are divisible by both 7 and 11? 7 and 11 are divisible in which one number? So first we know 11 divisibility rule is very easy. 11 divisibility rule is very easy. So first we check whether which number is divided by 11, right? Simply check how much here. 8 minus, so here we are getting the difference 5. So it is not divided by 11. Here also we have to check how much we are getting. 8 minus 5, 3. So this is also divided, not divided by 11. And here this you check 10 minus 11. Minus 1 or 1, so this is also not divided by 11. So 8 0. So exactly option D is divided by 11. No need to check even for 7. So why? Because here only one value is there that is divided with 7. Only one value is there that is divided with 7. So so we divided with 11. So option D directly we can mark as answer. Okay, ఎందుకంటే మనకి ABC 11 తో divisibility అవ్వట్లేదు. So no need to check for 7. Why? Because only one option is divided with 11. So directly we can go for the option D. అంతేగాని కూర్చొని సార్ all on options I have to divide with 7, all options I have to do. No need. First you check 11 divisibility is very easy. So divide with 11. Two options are there. Both options you have to divide with 7. Okay. First you have to check the divisibility rule of 11. Right. Question number 12. Again a geometry question. See, a pair of tangents AB and AC are drawn from a point. Just now only we discussed two tangents are drawn from an exterior point. What is the exterior point? AB and AC means what is the common point? A, right? So I'm drawing, just see. So two tangents are drawn from an exterior point A, B, C. Who is the center? Right? Drawn from a point which is at a distance of 10 centimeters from the center. From the center, the distance at the point of intersection is how much? 10, he is telling. If the radius of the circle is 6, if this radius is 6, then find the area of the quadrilateral ABOC. This ABOC quadrilateral we have to, right? Now if you observe, very simple, one point already I told. So in the geometry, this is the basic and the most important theorem, basic theorem. If a tangent is drawn to a circle, what is a tangent? Tangent means a circle which touches the circle, that means a line which touches the circle at only one point, then the line we call it as a tangent, and that point, touching point, we call it as a point of contact. Okay, right? So from center, in a circle, how many radius we can draw? In a circle, infinity number of radiuses we can draw, right? In a circle, infinity number of radius we can draw, out of which one radius, any radius, if you drawn to the point of contact, a radius that is drawn to point of contact, then the radius and tangent both are always perpendicular to each other. This is the basic theorem that we have to discuss at the time of tangents concept. Tangents concept నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు this is the basic theorem we will discuss. What is the basic theorem? Any radius is drawn to the tangent, that means any radius is drawn to the point of contact of tangent, then radius and tangent both are always perpendicular to each other. ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక చాలా రేడియస్ డ్రా చేయొచ్చు, బట్ the radius which is drawn to the point of contact draw చేస్తే, if is drawn to point of contact, then immediately radius and tangent both are perpendicular to each other. Same concept here. This is the radius or not? Radius is drawn to point of contact or not? Then immediately here what happens? Right angle. So here it is forming a which triangle? Right angle triangle. Very simple. Right angle triangle means we know triplets. So what is the value? 6, 10 means what is the other value? 8. So we have to find the area. So what is the area? Area simple. What is this first area? Right angle triangle area. So area of ABO. Area of ABO. This area is half into base into height. Half into 6 into 8. That is how much? 24. So this area is 24 means this area is also how much? 24. So what is the area of ABOC? That is 48. The answer is how much? 48. Simple question. Here it is forming a which triangle? A right angle triangle is forming here. So question low for explanation this much. Actually this is the question in 10 seconds we can do. So this is 10 we know, this is 6 we know, automatically what is the answer? Remaining 8. So it is a right angle triangle. So once if you know the right angle triangle means area we know 24, bottom is also 24. So answer is how much? 48. Okay, right. Then question number 13. Now this is the question related to trigonometry, right? What is the value given? Sin 30, cos 60, cos 45, sin 45, tan 60, cos 60. Simply value substitution, other than nothing is there. Every value we know. So one value we have to write. What is sin 30? 1. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2 by cos tan 60 or root 3. Cot 30 or root 3. That's it. Over. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus, this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 by 3. Half plus quarter, that is 3/4. 1 half, 1 quarter, that is 3 quarters, that is 3 by 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. So answer is how much? 1 by 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Option A is the right answer. Very simple question. The only thing you have to substitute the values. That's it. Okay? Right. Then question number 14. Question number 14. So again this is the question related to number system, not a pure maths question. It is also a question related to number system. Just see the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 17 by 4. Find the numbers. So one number is there and reciprocal. Both sum is how much? 17 by 4. Then what is the answer? One very simple thing here. The denominator is how much? Denominator is how much actually? No need to do actually. Denominator is how much? 4. So denominator is 4 means compulsory the reciprocal denominator also with 4 only, na? Right? So what is the value? So directly we can mark option D as the right answer and check 4 plus 1 by 4 whether that is 17 by 4 or not. Exactly 17 by 4. So right? So no need to do anything, simply through options. OTP is also not required. So 4 is there means compulsory the denominator should be 4. So what is the answer? 4 and 1 by 4. So simply check, once you check 4 plus 1 by 4 is 17 by 4 or not? Yes, 17 by 4. So what are the values? What are the two values? 4 and another one is how much? 1 by 4. Okay, right. So these are the questions. We are getting from this shift CHSL. Okay, so in next class we'll go for another shift papers for pure maths, right? Thank you.